Okay guys, we're going to go through the topic 3 answers, multiple choice test. I gave it out to everyone already. So, question 1 says, estimate the difference between California and Texas. So as you can see, we need to round this number up and it becomes 36 million. Texas becomes 22 million and the difference is 14 million. Question 2, 8 buns for $3. So we need to divide $3 8 times to see how much it costs for 1 bun. So let's see, 8 does not go into 3. So that means we put a 0 here. Now we need to add a 0 after the 3, and in doing so we add a decimal place. Now we can continue with the long division. 8 into 30 times goes 3 times. 8, 16, 24, that's what we minus. So 30 minus 24 is 6. Now we need to add another 0 to finish off. Bring it down. 8 into 60 goes 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56, which gives us 4. And finally bring another 0 down. Gives us 40. 8 into 40 goes 5 times. And that is now finished. 0.375, which is B. Question 3. The difference between 30.9 and 7.124. Now, don't forget when you need to line it up by decimal place, okay? And I always tell you guys, line it up carefully, like this, so you don't make a mistake. Now you can see we can do the subtraction, but there's nothing here. This is now what we call annexing. Let's annex a 0, there, and there, and there. Now we can do the subtraction. Okay, we can't do 0 minus 4, so we need to borrow 1 from here. And then, in turn, borrow it again from there. So 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 8 minus 1, 7. Your decimal place, 0 minus 7, we cannot do it. 2, 10 minus 7, 3, 2 minus 0, 2. 23.776. Question 4. Okay, so you have to take each one and do it step by step to find the right answer. And eventually when you do get to D, using your BEDMAS rule, don't forget it, 3.9 plus 2.5 is 6.4. 3.9 minus 1.4 is 2.5. Now it's in the bigger brackets, multiply them together, and we get 1600. But don't forget your 2 decimal places from here and here. And we add them in. Now it's 16 divided by 8, which gives us 2. Question 5. A ticket agency sold that many. So now, which is the best estimate for the total sold? We need to add the 2 together. Please mind the cat. I'm trying to do this quickly. So we need to estimate 16,918 is closer to 17,000. And this one is 18,000. Add them together, 17 plus 18 is 35. Gives us C. Question 6, we need to divide 44.85 23 times to find the cost of how much one person puts it in. So let's do it. 23 goes in, can't go into 4, so 0. Goes into 44, 1 time only. So we're minus 23. Gives us 21 left over. So 23, first the decimal place goes up. Okay? Now then, 23 does not fit into 21, but we need to bring the 8 down. Now 23 goes into 218. How many times? Well, use an estimate. If we times 23 by 10, it gives us 230, which is obviously just bigger than this, so it must be 9 times. And to find out what number you subtract, do 23 times 9 to find the answer. 9 times 3, 27, 18, plus 2, 20. 207 we subtract, which then gives us a difference of 11. Bring the 5 down. How many times does 23 go into 115? 5 times. Minus 155 is 0. Done. And that's questions 1 to 6.